So let's discuss about file transfer protocol. So before it we have already discussed about HTTP, the application programming interfaces of HTTP, their functions, their port numbers and their usability and A to Z, right? Now let's discuss about the second protocol of application layer, that is FTP, file transfer protocol. Normally we can divide it into two basic categories, the first one and second one. The first one we can simply call as a FTP, that is simply file transfer protocol, simply file transfer protocol. And we can put the second part as a TFTP, that is trivial file transfer protocol, that is trivial file transfer protocol, right? So basically the major difference between FTTP and TFTP is basically here the user that is going to use FTP as a protocol will be authorized user. That will be authorized users. All the users will be authorized. But in TFTP, basically users will be anonymous. User will be anonymous, right? It means that we are not having the exact definition of user there. It may be anyone. So basically anonymous means it is not secure, authorized means it is secure. Now basically authorized users are, it means that internet connections will be here, internet connection will be here, and if internet connection will be here, obviously the users will pay. Obviously softwares will be original softwares will be used here and they will pay for this. But anonymous, it means that we can say that internet connection here also it will be required, internet connections here also it is required, but we can say that normally softwares like antivirus softwares will be basically put in that category, right? Now in file transfer protocol, TCP will be used as a transport layer protocol. TCP as a transport layer protocol will be used here. TCP as a transport layer protocol will be used in FTP. And if TFTP fits say, then we can say that in trivial file transfer protocol, UDP will be used, that is user datagram protocol. UDP will be used as a transport layer protocol, as a transport layer protocol, right? So TCP will be used as a transport layer protocol in FTP, but in TFTP UDP will be used as a transport layer protocol, right? So this is basically some important difference between FTP and TFTP. Yes, yes, say, please say.
Yes.
What are you saying? Now, if I talk
If I
about
talk about
that port
that
numbers,
port number,
then
then
we can
we
simply
can
say
simply
that
say
port
that
number
port number
21, port number
port number
21 will be
21 will
used
be
here as a
as a
control
control
connection,
connect
as a
as a
control connection here.
connection here.
So control
So control
connection
connect
means it is a persistent,
persistent.
it is a
It is a
persistent,
persistent
and
and
port number
port number
22 will be
22 will
used here as a data
be data
connection, as a
as a
data
data
connection.
connection.
So data connection, it means that it is a
That is a
non-persistent,
non-persistent.
right?
Right.
So persistent means
Persistent
port
means
number
port
21
number
will be used. That is for
that is for
control.
control.
And for
And
data,
for data,
port number 22 will be used. So basically, control means that we are passing any information via that port. And 20, it is 20. For data connection, it is 20. Basically, if you want to download a file, we will use port number 20 as a FTP. But if you want to upload, then we will use port number 21. Then we are going to use port number 21 as a control connection in persistent. But in port number 20, it means that downloading. So for downloading, port number 20 is a TFTP and port number 21 means for uploading purposes. Once file is completely downloaded, data connection will be get closed and control connection will be there only to download some other files. That is the thing, right? So two functions are here: control command and data connection. So control connection is to establish the connection between them, and data connection is for downloading purposes, right? So normally this is about FTP, that is normally used for file transfer protocol as an application layer. In application layer, it is very important protocol, and it is used for transferring some files and doing some things like this, and using port number 20 and 21 respectively for data connection and control connection, right?